Twyla from My Bilingual Life. I want to help you become bilingual. Today, we are going to talk about definite and indefinite articles. We use these words every day in English, but I bet that you might not remember exactly what they are. So before we try to learn them in Spanish, let's take a look at the articles in English. According to Grammarly, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. I don't know about you, but that still doesn't really tell me what an article is. I'm going to make it very simple for you. The articles in English are the, a, an, and some. The is a definite article because if you're talking about the dog, you are talking about one dog in particular. A, an, and some are indefinite articles because you're not talking about one specific thing. A dog or an apple doesn't tell you exactly which one. Now, in English, the covers both singular and plural forms of the articles. A and an are the singular form of the indefinite articles. We use an when the noun starts with a vowel and a when the noun starts with a consonant sound. Some is the plural form of the indefinite article. So some examples would be a dog, an apple, or some bees. Now that this is a little more clear, let's start changing to Spanish. Now in Spanish, words have more than just singular and plural forms. They are also either masculine or feminine. Nouns will be one form or the other. I have a video that will be linked here that helps you know whether a noun is masculine or feminine. We change the adjective in the articles to match. We will start with the definite articles, the in English. Let's look at this on a chart. The masculine singular form is el. The feminine singular form is la. The plural masculine form is los, and the feminine form is las. So let's try some examples. What if I want to say the shoe? Shoe in Spanish is zapato. So the shoe would be el zapato. If I want to say the shoes, I would change it to los zapatos. Now let's try the cow. Cow in Spanish is vaca. So this is a feminine noun. I know that since it ends in an A. So the cow would be la vaca. If I have more than one cow, I would have las vacas. Now let's look at the indefinite articles. A, an, and some in English. In Spanish, we don't look at what kind of letter the noun starts with. We'll just look at singular and plural and masculine and feminine. Un is the masculine singular indefinite article, and unos is the plural. Una is the feminine singular indefinite article, and its plural is unas. I often get a question, why is it un instead of uno? Uno is the Spanish word for one. While that might work in some cases, one is a number and not an indefinite article. You're saying different things when you say, I have a book or I have one book. Uno is the number and un is the indefinite article. So let's try some more examples. What if I want to say a book? Book in Spanish is libro. So I would say un libro. If I want to say some books, I would change it to unos libros. If I want to say a chair in Spanish, chair is silla. So I would say una silla. Remember, in Spanish, the double L makes a ya sound. If I want to say some chairs, I would say unas sillas. You will find that in many places that help you learn Spanish, the noun will be presented with the correct form of the. Do you remember what that is called? It's the definite article. This helps clarify the gender of the noun. Once again, this is not a language concept that will greatly affect the comprehension of what you are trying to say. But as you improve your Spanish, you will begin to sound more natural with using the right forms of the definite and indefinite articles. Let's try a few practice examples. Which definite article would you use with these nouns? Which form of the would you use? So caballo is a horse. And since that's a masculine noun, I'm going to use el caballo. Lámpara is a lamp. It's a feminine noun, so this is going to be la lámpara. Gato is cat. It's a masculine noun and it ends with an O, so this is going to be el gato. Carros, that means cars. That's a plural masculine, so here I'm going to have los carros. And banderas, that means flags. This is a feminine plural, so this is going to be las banderas. Good job. Now let's try these with the indefinite article, or a and some. So for caballo, we would have un caballo, una lámpara, un gato, unos carros, unas banderas. Great work. I hope that you stick with this. Make sure to watch this video again if there's anything that is unclear, or feel free to leave a comment below. In the next class, we will talk about adjective agreement. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to click the button so you don't miss the next lesson. See you soon. Nos vemos.